Hi there and welcome back to our channel Target Teach Tutors. In today's video, we are diving into some essential chemistry concepts that will make understanding chemical calculation a breeze. By the end of this video, you will have a solid grasp of relative atomic mass or AR and relative formula mass also known as MR. So if you have ever been confused on these topics or struggled with chemistry calculations, stick around because I will be breaking it all down step by step. Let's get started. Relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass refers to the mass of an element in comparison to the mass of a carbon. It's a way to measure how heavy an atom of a particular element is relative to carbon, which is used as a standard. Here are some examples of relative atomic masses for different elements. Carbon 12, oxygen 16, sodium 23. This comparison helps us understand the mass relationship between different elements in the simple and standardized way. Now let's move on to relative formula mass. Relative formula mass is used for compounds or molecules. To find the relative formula mass of a compound, you simply add up the relative atomic mass of each element present in the compound or molecule. Here is how it works. The following examples explain how relative formula mass is calculated. Example 1. Sodium chloride. The formula for sodium chloride is NaCl. Relative atomic mass for sodium is 23 and for chlorine is 35.5. So the MR for NaCl is 23 plus 35.5 is equal to 58.5. Example 2. Magnesium chloride. The formula for magnesium chloride is MgCl2. Relative atomic mass for magnesium is 24 and for chlorine is 35.5. In the magnesium chloride MgCl2, there are 2 chlorine atoms in it. So mass of chlorine is 2 times 35.5 is equal to 71. The calculation for MR for MgCl2 is 24 plus 2 times 35.5 is equal to 24 plus 71 is equal to 95. Example 3. Aluminium sulfate. The formula for aluminium sulfate is Al2SO4 thrice. The relative atomic mass for aluminium is 27, sulfur is 32 and for oxygen is 16. Calculation for MR for Al2SO4 thrice is there are 2 aluminium atoms, so the mass of aluminium is 2 times 27 is equal to 54. In the sulfate group in aluminium sulfate compound, that is SO4 thrice, there are 3 sulfur atom, so the mass for sulfur is 3 times 32 is 96. In the sulfate group in aluminium sulfate compound, the number of oxygen atom in it 4 times 3 is equal to 12. The total mass of oxygen atoms in Al2SO4 thrice is 12 times 16 is equal to 192. To calculate the relative formula mass is to add them all together. That means 54 plus 96 plus 192 is equal to 342. Therefore, the MR for aluminium sulfate is 342. Now that we have gone through these examples, here are a few practice problems for you to try it on your own. Practicing this calculation will really solidify your understanding of relative atomic mass and relative formula mass. Also, additional questions are provided to support your revision and also deepen your grasp of other topics. Question 1 is a simple relative formula mass calculation. The next one will be multi-step relative formula mass calculation. The other one is larger compound challenge for relative formula mass calculation. Here I have included some more questions. Question 2, question 3 and question 4, which is reflective question. Leave your answers in the comment section, send us to our email or check out the answer key on our website. This is a step-by-step method for calculating mass of any compound or molecule by adding the masses of each element it contains. And that's a wrap. I hope this video has helped you understand the concepts of relative atomic mass and relative formula mass and how to calculate them step by step. Remember, understanding these fundamentals is crucial for mastering chemical calculations, whether it is for exams or practical lab work. Now you should feel confident in breaking down any compound and determining its mass with ease. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our future lessons. If you have any questions or need further clarification, drop a comment below. I am here to help. Thanks for watching and happy studying.